Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add Visa gift card on Onlyfans. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Onlyfans. So open up Onlyfans and then log into your account. You must log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so all you have to do is on your left tab here, you'll have an option called add card. So you just simply click on that add card option here, and then when you get to add card option here, so here most of the cards will be accepted, including Visa card here. So all you have to do simply is just plug in the details of your Visa card, your Visa gift card. So just plug in the details of it, and then once you're done with that, you go to hit on submit, and once you hit on submit, the card will be verified by Onlyfans. And once it's verified, then that's it, your card will be good to use on Onlyfans. So that's how you can add your Visa gift card on Onlyfans. It's a pretty easy and a straightforward process. So I hope this information video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.